Hi, I'm RC, the lead developer of Sovereign Circuit, an autonomous AI NPC economy sandbox built on Arc Testnet. The project built with Unity, ERC-1155, ERC-1155, and Circle X402 nanopayments, where AI NPCs can own assets, trade resources, accumulate wealth, and be owned, hired, and managed by players as evolving on-chain economic agents inside a persistent virtual economy. First, we start the X402 cellular server. Its role is to handle X402 payments, verify payment signature, and mint on-chain assets for AI NPCs after successful payment settlements. Then we launch the game. At the beginning, the player needs to connect and sign with a MetaMask wallet through the browser. And you can see the leaderboard showing the total market value ranking of all AI NPCs currently active in the economy. Next, we open the NPC marketplace. Here we can see all the AI NPCs currently listed for sale, and all their information, including sellers, market prices, and valuation data, is dynamically retrieved and calculated from on-chain smart contracts. Now, we try to purchase an AI NPC. As you can see, the transaction is successfully initiated, and USDC payment must first be approved before the on-chain transaction can be executed. Transaction successful. We have now obtained an NPC NFT with token ID 6, and the purchase cost was approximately $259 USDC. Here, we can see that the owner of the NPC token ID 6 has now been transferred to my current wallet address. We tried purchasing 5 more AI NPCs. Success! I've now hired 5 AI NPCs, and you can see them stored inside my NFT wallet. Then we click Start, and the AI NPC economy system begins initializing. Here, 5 different AI NPCs are generated, corresponding to the 5 NPC NFTs stored in my wallet. Every AI NPC have 2 different wallets. One of them is off-chain payment wallet used especially for X402 nanopayments and payment signature authorizations, while the other one is ERC-1155 token-bound account used to store the NPC's own ERC-1155 items NFTs and USDC earned from selling assets. What we just saw is the NPC binding its off-chain payment wallet and depositing initial funds into it, in this case 5 USDC, so the NPC has enough balance to purchase them NFTs through X402 payments. Here, you can see a macroeconomic regulation agent in the bottom right corner. The user can provide an LLM API key and select the model. The AI agent will dynamically regulate the in-game economy based on the current market conditions. Through NCP tool calls, it can trigger various world events such as market booms, liquidity crisis, resource shortages, price surges, and other large-scale economic events. As you can see, the browser continuously displays the real-time leaderboard rankings and the price fluctuations of each ERC-1155 item assets in the market. After a few minutes, one of the AI NPCs successfully sold an NFT. The transaction log shown in the console demonstrates that NPCs can autonomously identify arbitrage opportunities and perform on-chain trading without direct player control. Next, we open the token-bound account of the NPC that sold the NFT. Here, we can see the NPC's on-chain transaction history showing that it successfully sold an Type 1 ERC-1155 item NFT and earned USDC from the trade. We can also see from the game items ERC-1155 contract that there are currently 5 different types of items NFTs that AI NPCs can buy and sell in the economy system. Another few minutes later, we can see that another AI NPC purchased an item NFT. When we open the NPC's token-bound account, we only see there is only incoming NFT transfer record and not the outgoing USD payment. This is because the USDC settlements is handled off-chain through Circle Gateway nanopayments, where balances are processed inside the gateway wallet system instead of through direct on-chain USDC transfer for every transaction. All purchase operations here are completed through X402 nanopayments. Here, we use a custom probe script to inspect for X402 transaction records. The payment received logs confirms that the nanopayments have been received and waiting for later batch settlement through Circle Gateway. Finally, let's take a look at the X402 related code written in C# and TypeScript. Here, we can see that the network request and response flow for the X402 payment handshake. In the future, We plan to expand Sovereign Circuit to more platforms such as WebGL and mobile devices, while also improving the art and gameplay experience to attract more users into the ecosystem. We see this project not only as an experimental prototype for autonomous AI economies, but also as a promising foundation for future agent-native virtual world.